This activity is an assignment, which provides you with the convenience of submitting assignments online. You don't have to pay for printing or worry about forgetting the paper. Just upload it once and you're done. An assignment in Moodle is like an online Dropbox where you can submit papers and other files. All student submissions to assignment activities are seen only by the professor, who can download the files and grade student submissions. In this sample assignment, we have a worksheet that needs to be downloaded, completed, and re-uploaded for submission. In this example, we have 3 links for different versions of the worksheet: a downloadable Word document, a PDF hosted in Moodle, and a URL for a Google Doc. Your professor may not offer this many options. However, if there are any files you need to view to complete an assignment, whether it's a worksheet like this or simply a rubric, the file will likely come in at least one of these forms. Also, your professor may not have the relevant files linked within the assignment. Instead, they may appear under the assignment on your main course page. Either way, the download instructions are the same. With a Word document, the file automatically downloads directly to your device when you click it, and then you can open the file and move it to wherever you want to save it on your device. To save your own copy of the PDF file, download it by clicking the arrow with a line under it at the top right of the files window. Select where you want to save your file on your device, then click Save. To save a copy of the Google Doc to your own Google Drive, click File, then Make a Copy. Select where you want to save your file, then click OK. Once you've saved a copy of your file, you can open it, fill it out however you need to, save your work, then submit it for grading. Depending on your course's assignment, you may not have to download any files. Your assignment may just be to write and upload a paper, for example, in which case you would simply skip the downloading part and move on to the submission procedures. To submit an assignment, start by clicking Add Submission. Here you have 2 options. The first option is simple. Just drag and drop your file from your desktop or documents folder directly into the assignment Dropbox. The second option is a bit more complicated. Under File Submissions, click the Add button that's shaped like a piece of paper. You can choose to upload a file directly from your device, or you can select a file from a cloud storage account like Google Drive or Dropbox. To upload from your device, click Choose File. Select the file you want to submit and click Open. Give the file a name to save it as. Then click Upload this file. Then click Save Changes. You can view your assignment submission status, your grading status, the file itself, and you can add comments to your submission. Depending on your professor's settings for the assignment, you may be able to edit or remove your submission if you need to make changes before the assignment is due. Note that your professor will be able to see a timestamp for when your assignment is submitted, and Moodle will tell them whether the assignment was early or late. Some professors will also put settings so that the Dropbox will not accept late submissions, so make sure to double-check your due dates as you complete your assignment. Once your professor has graded the assignment, your grade will appear, as well as any comments or feedback documents your professor may have included.
Your professor may also enable activity instructions and/or a time limit. Activity instructions appear directly beneath the regular description after you have clicked Add Submission. A time limit starts after you have clicked Begin Assignment, which replaces Add Submission when there's a time limit, and then you are able to see the activity instructions. Your professor may use these settings in a variety of ways. For example, the regular description might tell you that you will need to write an essay on a provided topic within an hour. The activity instructions might include a specific essay prompt that you need to respond to, which you will only see after clicking Begin Assignment, at which point the time limit would begin. If you have any questions or concerns about a particular assignment, you should reach out to your professor. Need more help? For technical support, contact the e-LIS support team by clicking the Get Help button at the top of any Moodle page.